Example number 11 is Devashi has a total of 590 rupees as currency notes in the denomination of rupees 50, 20 and 10 rupees. So she has total 590 rupees with her, and all these notes are in 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupees. Okay. The ratio of the number of 50 and 20 rupees notes is 3 is to 5. So a relation is given for 50 and 20 rupees notes. By using this part of the statement, we can write that let number of 50 rupees notes equals to 3x and number of 20 rupees notes is equals to 5x. Because it is given that the ratio of the number of 50 rupees and 20 rupees notes is 3:5. So 3x will be number of 50 rupees notes and 5x will be the number of 20 rupees notes. If she has a total of 25 notes, means the total notes that she has with her is 25. And we have to write down how many 10 rupees notes she has. See, I have considered that 50 rupees notes are 3x, 20 rupees notes are 5x. Okay. One more thing that I have to write is number of 10 rupees notes. But relation of 10 rupees notes is not given here. We have to find out the other method. So next line of the statement says, if she has a total of 25 notes, total notes are 25, means if I subtract the number of 50 rupees notes and 20 rupees notes from 25, I will get 10 rupees notes. That means 25 minus 3x plus 5x. Means the total number of 50 rupees and 20 rupees notes, if I subtract from the total number of notes, then the remaining notes will be of 10 rupees. 25 minus 3x plus 5x is 8x. So here I have considered how many 50, 20 and 10 rupees notes are with her. So I have to use these three parts in the equation. I need to form an equation to solve the question now. How many notes of each denomination she has? Means we need to find out how many 50 rupees notes are there, how many 20 rupees notes are there and how many 10 rupee notes are there. So the total money that she has is 590 rupees, which is given in the beginning. Okay? Means the sum of the money that she has with 50 rupees, with 20 rupees and with 10 rupees is equals to 590. So I cannot just write down 3x plus 5x plus this 25 minus 8x is equal to 590. That will be totally wrong equation. Okay. See, the money that she has in 50 rupees notes, with 50 rupees notes, see 50 rupees notes are 3x. The money that will be formed will be 50 multiplied by 3x. 53 is equals to 150x. It is just like if I have 3 notes of 50 rupees. What is the total amount I have? I have 150 rupees. So similarly, if she has 3x notes of 50 rupees, then the money she has is 150x. Now, she has 5x notes of 20 rupees. So the total money that she has with 20 rupees notes is 20 multiplied by 5x. 25 are 100. So 100x rupees she has with 20 rupees notes. Plus now 25 minus 8x. This is the number of notes that she has of 10 rupees. So 10 multiplied by 25. This is 25. 25 minus 8x. And the total amount is 590. This is the equation. The main part in these questions is to make equation. Okay, so 50 rupees notes were 3x, so total amount is 150x, and 20 rupees notes are 5x, so total amount is 100x. 10 rupees notes are 25 minus 8x, so multiply 10 with this, 10 multiply 25 minus 8x. Now let's solve the equation. It will be 150x plus 100x plus 10 is written outside the bracket. 10 multiplied by 25 will be 250 minus 10 multiplied by 8x will be 80x. This is equals to 590. Okay, now 150x, 100x and minus 80x. These three are like terms. 150 plus 100 is 250. 250 minus 80 is 170. 170x and 250 is the constant term. Plus 250 equals to 590. Take this 250 to other side. 170x is equals to 590 minus 250. Now 590 minus 250 is 170x is equals to 340. 170 will be shifted to the right side. X is equals to 340 upon 170. Now cancel these, 0 0 cancel, 17 2s are 34. It means the value of x is equals to 2. This is just the value of x now. Let us find out the number of 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 10 rupees notes. So number of 50 rupees notes, what did you consider in the beginning? How many 50 rupees notes are there? The number of 50 rupees notes were 3x. Okay, and x is 2. That means 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6. She has 6 notes of 50 rupees. Now number of 20 rupees notes. What did you consider in the beginning? You considered it to be 5x. That means 5 2s are 10. There are 10 notes of 20 rupees. And number of 10 rupee notes, it was 25 minus 8x. 8x means 8 multiplied by 2. That means 25 minus 16 and 25 minus 16 is 9. So she has 6 notes of 50 rupees, 10 notes of 20 rupees and 9 notes of 10 rupees.